Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best shocks for Toyota 4Runner, carefully selected to elevate your driving experience. From off-road adventures to smooth city rides, these shocks redefine performance. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. Detroit Axle presents their 2 front struts, engineered to elevate your driving experience. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, these struts offer unmatched performance and stability on the road. With a focus on safety and reliability, Detroit Axle ensures these struts provide smooth handling and enhanced control, making every journey a seamless one. Whether navigating city streets or conquering rugged terrain, trust Detroit Axle to deliver unparalleled quality and performance for your vehicle. Upgrade to Detroit Axle's 2 front struts today and feel the difference on every drive. Number 2. AutoShock's front and rear complete struts, coil springs, and shock absorbers set for replacement. This all-in-one solution ensures a smooth ride and optimal performance for your vehicle. Engineered with precision, these struts and shock absorbers offer seamless integration, easy installation, and durability. The set includes both front and rear components, providing comprehensive coverage. Say goodbye to uneven terrain discomfort and hello to enhanced stability and control on the road. Upgrade your driving experience with AutoShock's reliable and high-quality suspension solution. Number 3. Rancho pair of shock absorbers and 2 leveling suspension kits. Engineered for off-road enthusiasts and urban adventurers alike, these kits provide unparalleled stability and comfort. The shock absorbers offer enhanced damping control, reducing vehicle bounce and sway on any terrain. Plus, the leveling suspension kits ensure a balanced ride, maintaining optimal ground clearance for a smoother drive. With easy installation and durable construction, Rancho ensures reliability and performance for every journey. Dominate the road with confidence. Upgrade to Rancho today. Number 4. Saio Complete Strut Shock Absorbers. Engineered for supreme performance and durability, these shock absorbers redefine smooth rides. Designed to fit a range of vehicles, they offer seamless installation, saving you time and hassle. With their precision-engineered components, expect superior handling and stability on any terrain. The advanced damping technology ensures optimal comfort and control, making every journey enjoyable. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to unparalleled driving experience with Saio Complete Strut Shock Absorbers. Upgrade your ride today. Number 5. Yuxmoto's front complete coil spring strut shock absorber assembly. Engineered for smooth rides and enhanced stability, this assembly boasts precision engineering and high-quality materials. With a seamless integration of coil spring and shock absorber, it ensures optimal performance and durability. Say goodbye to bumpy roads and hello to comfort with this easy-to-install assembly. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or cruising through the city streets, Yuxmoto ensures a smoother, safer ride every time. Upgrade your driving experience today with Yuxmoto's front complete coil spring strut shock absorber assembly. In conclusion, choosing the right shocks for your Toyota 4Runner can significantly enhance your driving experience, offering improved comfort, stability, and off-road performance. Whether you prioritize smooth highway rides or rugged terrain adventures, the options discussed cater to various needs and budgets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updates and videos.